Hey everyone, is your iTunes is not connecting with your iPhones? How do you fix it? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. Right now, see guys here, if we disconnect and now after closing this iTunes, once again if I open, now there is no detections. If we connect with the help of especially iPhones 2 especially PC, this iTunes is not detecting. Even if 3U tool is not detecting, and it's essential that connecting iDevice, please wait. So, how do you immediately fix it? See, guys, simply we will have to go for a space layer. On a 3U tool, we have a iTunes utility, and there we have a specially repair driver. Just all are green sign, but however, it's not a connecting show. Just we will go for specially repair now. So automatically, some the driver will be specially uninstalled and yes, automatically will be installed also. So it will be immediately fixed and then we can now see the notification cam here. Now we are waiting for a special device that will be connected, but still it is not connected. So let it complete installation and upon the further we will go. Sometimes due to bug and the viruses it happens, or sometimes iTunes is going to be the crash. So yes, the safe protocol is that we will have to uninstall iTunes and upon once again we will have to go for installations after uninstalling. But right now, without uninstalling or installing, so just simply we are going to fix this. Let it complete this repairing, and then the further we will go for here. Still see it is not completed, but so now it's installing. So let it complete, then we will see here. Now this notification is coming again and again, and disconnection part is coming. Here we will have to uninstall the older driver file they stored in the system. If you want, so then we can. Otherwise, no problem at all. Yes, we would like to uninstall because of debris and yes, maybe junk files, especially has been the remaining or it hangs in there. So due to that, it's also happening. So guys, let it complete uninstall it. Show that yes, we will go with it, especially further. Now this device is completed, and right now here we can see we can close the iTunes and then the further we will go for. Now so this device has been the finally connected guys here. It's an installing. So let's check it out, especially iTunes is detecting now or not. I think it should be detected. Let's see what's going to happen. It is uninstalling. So there is sign cam on here. So now it has been connected. So now iTunes is a fully functional guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. For the menu inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Please would you mind to reply your query guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.